Week has been lots of workshop jobs, so next one is modifying the stand for one of our planters that we've completely modified the bar and everything on. So the stands didn't work anymore, so I've got to change them around, so I'll show you what that looks like. So this is one of the bars that we pulled off. The planter had 3 rows on it, and we pulled it back to 1 row and putting a lot more units on that 1 row, which works a lot better in general, but it doesn't stand up with only 1 bar. So I'm taking this 1 bar and cutting it down. This is 750mm long, and then this little bit off the end will be 100mm, and then these are our stands, legs. So I've got this bracket down on there that I'll weld onto the end of here, and then this one onto the end of there, and then that will allow us to set the planter on the ground and have stands. So preparing this steel, I've cut them off, taken the burr off with a grinder, ground back some of the paint so I'm not trying to weld through paint. Marked out the bracket so that this bit sits nice and square on the bracket, and then I'll do some welding. So first step is putting just a tack weld on each corner to hold it in place, and then I'll do my fillet welds through them to finish it off. And she's still smoking, so got that all welded up. That should hold together. So this is what it's going to look like. This will clamp onto the bar. This one will go out behind the planter units with the with the leg on there, and then this one will be just in front of the bar with the leg on here. So here's what the leg bracket looks like. So this is clamped onto the main bar here in between the row units. This is the bracket that I welded on, and then these feet just drop down onto the ground and stabilize the bar.